This is NextGen TV with Andrew Macdonald, one of the NextGen event directors. Andrew, we're here at Wembley this year. Give us the background to the selection of Wembley as the venue.
We always like to bring this event to somewhere where things are actually happening, and on the Wembley Park site there's been some tremendous progress on fit for purpose broadband, and that's why we want to bring the conference here. It also is next door to the stadium, the arena, in a very, very iconic location which people could instantly recognise.
Yeah, now you've had a terrific couple of days here, and I think the event here is very much about helping to drive the agenda, set the agenda for next year perhaps.
Yes, it is. We haven't got any firm plans yet for next year, but we wanted to make sure that when we spoke to our sponsors and our exhibitors and the delegates, we get feedback on what they want to see happening over the next 12 months that we can deliver for them in terms of our conferences and our roadshows that we do throughout the course of the year.
Yeah, and I guess you'll be looking within that to retain the uniqueness of NextGen, the thing that makes it so special.
Yes, we will. That's very hard. We have to keep working on that one. We'll listen to all our exhibitors and sponsors and the delegate feedback as well to try to keep these unique events unique, because it's a big call to take people out for 2 days from all the different communities that come to this, from community, public sector, private sector, all the vendors and all the press who come. And we've got to keep the agenda alive, relevant and interesting to keep people for 2 days.
Yeah, and I think we are seeing developments. We're not talking futures here. We're seeing action, we're seeing deliverables, and we're seeing that in the awards, 300% more entries this year.
Yes, quite extraordinary, really exciting. The projects that popped up from almost from nowhere that suddenly people start to see are actually happening on the ground. Of course, the great thing is we actually had 2 sponsors this year with ICT, KTN and Go On UK, and that was wonderful to see them supporting these projects. And there were some really, really great submissions.
Well, I'm sure you're going to be working hard on thinking for next year, and we look forward to those dates for 2014.
Thank you very much, Brian, and it's been a great couple of days.